How to fix Hik-Connect app not working. Let's get started. First of all, check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. Once done, the next thing you want to do is head over to your app store. In the search bar, search for Hik-Connect. Move into this app. Over here you see the option of open, but instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it must be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to settings of a device, move into general, and then head over to iPhone storage. Scroll down and search for the application Hik-Connect. Over here tap on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It should also fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Hik-Connect app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.